Alright, y'all, so it's Vlogmas day 1, December 1st, and I'm gonna really try to do Vlogmas. I tried Vlogtober and it didn't work. So I'm gonna really try to commit this time for 25 days. But anyways, it's 10:17. The kids got dentist appointments in about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna just bring y'all with. Hopefully they let me record. Y'all know how some establishments be. Shy. You shy? Hey. How you doing? Hey. You good? You watching a movie? That's cars. You shy? You cannot have them things on the wall. You shy? You shy? You can sit in the chair next and let them clean your teeth? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we gonna see. You can't get up there, Shy. No, Shy. You go up there next, okay? It's right turn. Alright, y'all, so we finished at the dentist. They wouldn't let me record, which I'm not surprised, but the kids got their teeth cleaned. Say cheese. Did y'all have fun at the dentist? Yeah. Oh, and they got goodie bags. I should start playing with his little toy. Blow your toy. Alright, what toy you got? Jennifer. And then they both got shade. I want this. Y'all know how it be. What's cool? What kind of toothbrush you got, alright? Peppa Pig. What you got, Shy? What's that, PJ Mask? Say PJ Mask. Yeah. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I told the kids that they did good at their dentist appointment. They was coming to get pizza, so we came to this place called Donato's Pizza. It's out here in Virgo Square. Look at Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man. Yes. There you go. This is what's left. This was a medium pizza. They ate a good bit of it, but this is what's left for the medium pizza. Get your cup. Where you want to go? It's the ice cream. Let's use the bathroom first and then we go get ice cream. So we left the pizza place. I made sure both of them peed before we left. We get in the car on the way to go get some ice cream. Here comes Shy. He got a pee-pee. So I'm trying to find somewhere for him to go pee, but like, it's like buku traffic. I cannot get nowhere for him to go pee, y'all. Then I pull over, cause you know, I got a cup. I was gonna let him go in the cup. He starts pushing. So I'm like, you got a pee-pee or you got a boo-boo? He goes, he got a boo-boo. Now I'm stuck trying to figure out how the heck I'm about to get home so that this boy can boo-boo in all of this traffic. I came to Target, y'all. But tell me why this boy done came out his damn socks and shoes. Yeah, you.
Me?
Yes, you. Come on. Across the street. Come on. Y'all ready to go get ice cream?
Yeah, yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna open it up? Gotta go get in the line.
Give me another one. I'll take the elf.
Why you even bought this in here?
I don't know.
Go. Go get in line. Come on. What y'all want? Vanilla?
No, I really want
What's that? M&M's? Oh, that's Reese's Pieces. My bad.
Mommy, how about Mommy? I have squid. Come on.
Shy, what you want?
Gummy bears.
You want gummy bears?
Mommy, I'll have the rainbow.
The rainbow? The rainbow sprinkles? And Shy, you want gummy bears? Alright, y'all gonna eat this ice cream. Y'all going to sleep. And I'm just sitting here with nothing. Nah, I ain't want no ice cream, so I'm just eat whatever they got left.
So what are you doing?
She ain't doing nothing but eating the teddy bears. What they are? Gummy bears out of his ice cream. I ate the ice cream. He ate the gummy bears. And I'm gonna finish yours, Vicky. Me and Adrian have spoiled the kids. Every time we come to Azalea, it's a Five Below. So every time we come, we let them go to Five Below. And they always get one toy. They know they get one toy. So we're at Azalea right now, and we're about to go to Five Below. And they're gonna get one toy. Go. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go, walk. Go, 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 go. How many toys y'all getting? One. How many toys you getting, Shy? Oh. How many toys you getting, Shy?
Two.
No, one. One. No, two. Yeah, I know, right? Come on, Shy. Right here. Right here. How many toys we get? How many toys you get, Shy?
Two.
One.
One.
Okay. What you want? Oh, that's Iron Man 3 shot. What you see? Spidey? Oh, that is Spidey. 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 Here. You want it? You can't open it yet. Alright. Now let's let Riley find a toy. Come on. Don't push him. Come on, this way. This way, Shy. Go ahead. Y'all going down here? Where your toy? Yeah, let's go down there. Fruit snacks. Who eating the fruit snacks?
No.
Oh, you talking about the Hungry Turtles?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are two games we ended up with. Hungry Turtles. This is what Ariah's talking about. And Jumbo playing cards. Not sure, but we about to take these home and play with them. Got to get some when we get home. So that's basically our day, y'all, because they about to go home and take a nap, and we're just gonna chill the rest of the day. So thank y'all for watching this video. We will see y'all in the next one. Say bye-bye.